What is a forensic psychological evaluation for parental alienation? Imagine a child caught in the middle of a family dispute, feeling torn between parents. When courts need to understand what's really happening, they turn to a special kind of assessment. That's where a forensic psychological evaluation for parental alienation comes in. This evaluation is done by a mental health expert, usually a forensic psychologist or psychiatrist, to find out if one parent is influencing the child to reject the other parent. It's a way to gather facts about the child's mental health, family relationships, and any manipulation that might be going on. The process starts with interviews. The evaluator talks to the child, the parents, and sometimes other people like teachers or therapists. These conversations help paint a clear picture of how the family interacts and what behaviors might be affecting the child. Next, psychological tests are used. These are standardized assessments that measure emotional health, personality traits, and whether the child or parents have any mental health issues. The tests help determine if the child's rejection of a parent is due to true problems or if it's a result of manipulation. The evaluator also pays close attention to how the child describes their feelings. For example, if the child sees one parent as all good and the other as all bad, it could be a sign of parental alienation. The evaluator looks for signs of fear, anger, or rejection that might be based on real experiences or influenced by the parent who is trying to turn the child against the other. They also review the family history and any incidents that might explain the child's attitudes, including possible coaching or manipulation by one parent. Since parental alienation is not a formal medical diagnosis, the evaluator focuses on how the child's behavior affects their ability to function and their emotional well-being. The goal is to give the court clear, objective information about whether the child's rejection is due to alienation or legitimate reasons like abuse or neglect. This evaluation can be very helpful in custody disputes, guiding decisions about who the child should live with or how visitation should be arranged. It can also reveal if emotional harm or psychological abuse is happening because of alienation tactics. The court then uses this information to decide on the best way to protect the child's rights and help restore healthy relationships with both parents. Sometimes, the evaluation results lead to recommendations for therapy or legal actions to address the alienation and support the child's overall well-being. In the end, a forensic psychological evaluation for parental alienation is a detailed, fact-based process. It helps the court understand complex family dynamics and makes sure decisions are made with the child's best interests in mind.